Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase j from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start at the top and let's draw a circle here. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw a curve that's on a slight angle. Then from the ends, let's curve it down and back in. Next, underneath the left side, let's draw a curve down, stopping here. And the same thing on the right. Now let's move underneath that left line and let's draw a small curve up and out. Then a curve up and then over to the left. And now from the end, let's curve it back down and in. Now let's close off the bottom with a U-shaped curve. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a curve like this. And then one more small curve on the bottom right. And that's it for the shape of the letter J. Now let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start by drawing the eyes. Inside at the top here, let's draw a long, rounded rectangle. And then let's draw the other eye to the left, but tucked behind like this. And then let's erase the overlapping line inside. Next, inside each eye, let's draw angled lines like this. Next, inside the right eye, let's draw a square shape underneath. And the same thing in the other eye, but on the left side. And now let's color both of these in black. And lastly, let's draw the top of the mouth. Underneath the left eye, let's draw an angle down. And then curve it back up and over to the right. And then erase that small line overlapping inside. And that's it for lowercase j. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!